Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Kearny Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kearnybank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kearny Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the sign in button at the top section and this will open up the login portal. Go ahead and type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box. Then underneath, type in your account password. After typing in both these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Kearny Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Help Center option and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Kearny Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.